What's up, you guys? All right, so let's take a look at product funnels, right? If you want to sell something, a physical product, right? Use a product funnel, a product sales funnel. Now, I'm going to explain to you why these are so powerful, right? Now, the great thing about the sales funnel is it offers a direct path to the sale, right? There's not a million different options like we discussed, like in websites, and that's why websites are dead. And when you actually come into a product funnel, oftentimes what you have is a bribe. And that bribe helps people to get into your ecosphere, right? Whatever that bribe could be, it is often some very, very high value but low friction offer, right? It's kind of like, here's a 3-part video series, here's a 4-part video series, whatever it is, right? Here is a grocery list of, items that I buy to, ensure I get 6-pack abs because abs are created in the kitchen, not in the gym, stuff like that. Your bribe, right? This is your lead magnet. We discussed this. So oftentimes you want people to opt in because you want to be able to communicate with them. So what you'll normally see is that there's a bribe and then there's a sales page after the bribe. So they take the bribe, they hit the sales page, and then after the sales page, they can also hit a one-time offer by upgrading their order, right? And you could see 1, 2, 3 one-time offers. There's also one-time offers are also called upsells. You might also see downsells. A downsell is when somebody says no to a one-time offer and you can give it a payment plan, for example, or reduce the price further, right? Let's say the one-time offer was $47 and they said no. You could do a downsell to $37. So there's a lot of things that you can actually do, which is pretty cool. But at the front of the funnel, you're going to have the bribe, right? And you don't always have to have the bribe. There are actually two-step order forms, and I'll show you one here with the t-shirt funnel. Two-step order forms is you have the website, right? And basically they could fill out the first step and they become a lead, right? And even if they don't sell, and even if they don't buy here, right, then they're still a lead. Now check this out. I was trying to exit, so this is my exit pop-up where I send them to another page where it's an additional 10% off, right? So there's a lot of things that you can do, and it's really, you can get really complex with it. You could get really intricate with it. But at the end of the day, it's best to opt in, right? And that's the reason why we covered opt-in funnels so far. And you want them to opt in. Then you have a sales page where they can order, and it's really good to have a video here because a video sales letter is one of the best ways that you can explain the benefits of a product to or service to the prospective clients, customers, prospects, whatever you want to call them. And after that, of course, you have the OTO. So oftentimes what you'll also see is, people will combine the video sales letter with a long sales letter script because some people like to watch a video sales letter. Some people like to read. It's good to combine both of them, and you can do that here. And then at the end, of course, you have a confirmation page. Now, what this looks like in the whole funnel ecosphere is pretty simple. If we jump back out here to the funnels and we come back out to the funnel that we were kind of playing around with, which is the Epic Growth Academy, we can see here if we wanted to, right after the opt-in, for example, we can add a new step. So in fact, there's an order step here. We can move it if we wanted to. So let's just do that. That's really, really simple, really straightforward. So let's go to this order step, and then let's go ahead and create the sales page that we want for it. Doesn't really matter what we pick. Let's go ahead and choose this one. Just select this one. And instead of the launch pages, we can actually drop this right here. So after they opt in, we can, go here and go and try to sell them something on the two-step order form. So this is a really good way to do it too. You can, change the image. This is obviously, a funnel based on selling a supplement or workout product, right? This is, you can sell anything though. It doesn't really matter. So that's the beauty of this. And, of course you need to have this connected to whatever payment gateway that you got going on. So hopefully you follow along with all that stuff. And when you're on this page, it's really, really important to set up the products, right? So your product will be set up here, and just go ahead and go in here and add your product. You pick your payment gateway integration, you move to the next step, and you can say it's a one-time or whatever. So here is product, some awesome product. Let's just call it that instead. Some awesome product. We'll just do like $37. And you can do a price override. So if it was, say, like a membership, you could say like, you know, $37 for lifetime access, or you could do like $37 plus shipping, whatever it is, right? So you can do that there. And so let's go ahead and go through the rest of this, and we'll go to the next page. And then you can do a fulfillment email on or off. And then you basically go through this process into the shipping as well. Integrate whatever shipping provider you have. It's a physical product. You can say what you want to integrate it with, and you can save and close this. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty basic and pretty simple to set up these steps. After the order, so after the order page, if you wanted to create an upsell page, it's really simple. We'll just call it OTO, and OTO purchase. Just call it OTO purchase, and we'll show it in the funnel, right? So we'll go ahead and move this over here. So that means they'll land here. So we want to say that this is a one-click upsell, and we can go ahead and pick the right one. Let's just go ahead and pick this. And on this page, you also have to add the product. So this would be like this is your upsell, right? So select this, move to the next one. So upsell product. And then that's it. And you go through it. So you call this, we could do say this is $97. Move on to the next one. And same thing. So I'll just save and close this for now. And effectively, you can see what that's like. So we'll just go in here, we'll edit the page. And when we actually land on it, see here. And then you can actually tie this to the one-click upsell. So now it's tied to it, right? This is how it charges. So it'll basically charge the card, the additional amount. And you should obviously be testing your funnel as well. So if you want to test your funnel as far as payments are concerned, go into the settings of the funnel, and you can go and turn on the test mode. And that's right here. Just click this, save and update. And then we could actually go through the process and, you know, go buy it, right? we can say we want to download this thing, and, you know, we could say, let's go through this process. And go through to the next page, and you can see that the funnel is in test mode. So we could just grab this, and we'll just say, just put in our address and select the country. And this would be the order bump here. And so here's our $37 product, some awesome product that we set up. And we can put anything in here. We can click add the order bump, move to the next step. In the next step, we would see the one-time offer. And if we wanted to take it, we would click yes. If not, we click no, thank you. And then it would move to the next step. That's pretty much it. That's how basic it is to set up a product funnel. And let's get on to the next video.